I'm Megan, and I'm going. Hi, I'm Megan. I'm gonna give you the 5 top jokes. Okay? Sorry about this. I'm gonna give you the 5 top jokes. Okay? Now I'm doing this just so you can tell some good jokes you made. So here's the first one. What do you call a winner? Well, it's not to say monster, but what do you call a winner of a monster beauty test? The answer is ugly. Number 2. Oh, this is awkward. Knock knock. I see your underwear. Number 3. What breaks when said? Silence. Number 4. What flies and wobbles? A helicopter. The last one. Why can't a bicycle stand up? Because it's too tired to. There you go. They are the top 5 jokes.